tight. You center there. You see, Amma got 73.5 and it's 3. You bear with me that above 70 to 80, 70 to 79 is 3 according to BEC grading. Okay, now let's go to the position. Don't forget that don't worry, I'll add all the formulas for you in the form of a PDF so that you catch up with it. Okay, so let's go to the position. When it comes to the position, easy. If you want to rank a particular, if you want to arrange or you want a position to appear over there, Excel doesn't use cardinal numbers like first, second, third, unless you use a formula. Now, you see, when you check the formula, let me copy it. I just go and paste it here, and I will explain the formula. I'll explain the formula. Okay, so when you take the first one, look here. You forgot about the choose. Let's go to the rank. The rank is what we use for the position, but it will not do it in such a way that there will be first, second, third. Let me demonstrate it here. Let me just remove this formula, rank, the rank formula. Let me just remove copy it. Let me paste it here so that you see it yourself. And let me create position. So I'm using this else for demonstration. So this side, I'm using the formula that I copied from the position, and I put it easy. Look at how it has arranged it. When you use the rank only, it will arrange it this way. It will arrange it this way. Now let me explain the rank. Okay, so the rank is used to arrange a particular column either alphabetically, either in ascending order or descending order. So as you can see, this is how the formula goes. Rank, the number. Which number do you want us to rank? We want to rank G2. And where is G2 found? It's found in G2 to G20, 120. Don't forget, when you are using rank, you have to lock the column involved. If you don't lock it, it will change. Let me demonstrate by removing the dollar sign. Dollar sign which is used to lock you see, when I remove when I remove the dollar sign, look at what has appeared. Everybody is first. That can't be, because when you look at the total score over here, only Amma has 73, so Amma should be first and the rest should be what? Second. but all of them they are first. So because when you check the first formula here, the first formula is correct, G2 2. But when you go to the next, then to change to G3 in that order. So it makes your ranking not correct. So to make it for you to get the correct, you have to lock it using the dollar sign. So now I've locked it. You see, when you go to the first, the same formula will appear. It will never change. But when I remove the dollar sign, you see that it changes. So when you use the rank without the choose, this is how it will appear. Now when you look here, we have what we call choose. Now after ranking, we want to choose, or we want some of the numbers to appear like this. So for instance, if there is one in it, the one should appear at first, not as 1. If there is 2 in it, then the 2 should appear as second. If there is 3 in it, it should appear as third, not ordinary 3. So that's how the choose work. That's why you have to use both, so that it will make it simple for you. I hope you are following. So let me delete this column. Let me delete it. Okay, now let's go to the last one. Where is the Remax? So let's go to, let me just copy the formula and just go and paste it here. So as usual, these two, we use what we call the logical formula, the if. So if G2, the max, or the max at G2 is greater than 89, then distinction should be written there. Distinction should be written there. And if the max is greater than 79, distinction should be written there. And it's good that way. That is it. The numbers grading and the letters grading and the Remax too, we use what logical formulas for it. So after that, you just press enter and it will appear there for you. So take note. You can, this one, the logical formula, you can arrange this way. If you don't, some people will be confused with mine, but you can go this way. If you want to use the WAEC one, this one is it's BEC, the WAEC BEC grading. When you look at the charts follows this way: 90 to 100, 80 to 90. That's how it goes. But when you look at my formula is a bit different, but it's the same thing. If you can go by this way, if G2 is greater than or equal to 90, if greater than or equal to 90, then it should be written at 1. If greater than or equal to 80, so it means greater than or equal to means 80 is inclusive. Greater than or equal to 90 means 90 is inclusive. But greater than 69 means 69 is not inclusive. So you can do it here. Greater than or equal to 70. Then greater than equal to 60. Hope you are following. Then this side, greater than equal to 55. Greater than equal to 55. Then the 49, you change it to 50. Greater than equal to 50. Then this side, greater than equal to 40. Greater than equal to 40. Then the last one, greater than equal to 35. Then you press enter. Still it will work. So you can go by this. Still you get the same grading. So now that you finish with one SBA sheet for a particular subject, there is no need worrying yourself. You just make copies of it. So now this is for RME. So you just right click, then you go move or copy. Then you click on create a copy. So in this same book, so you want to move it to end. So after RME, it will appear there. So see, it has appeared as RME2. So let's rename it to maybe ICT. So we go by that too. So you create more copies. So ICT to maybe move or copy. You click. Don't forget to check the create a copy. Then you move to end. You can send it here. It will come. Is it where it appeared? So you just rename it. Maybe BDT. So you make copies of it. Let's all make copies of it to the number of subjects that you want. So that next time we meet, we go on different things. I'll be happy if you are watching it, you just be practicing so that we go hand in hand. So that the next time I'll be sending the tutorial, you'll be at where I am so that we continue peacefully. I'm at your help. If when you are facing anything, you can Telegram me or WhatsApp me, and I'll be of help. And I'll add in the formulas PDF, so don't worry. Thank you very much. We meet next time.